Hello from Mr. Tutorial. I'm going to show you how to install Steam. Go to Google and type Steam. Go to this official Steam website. And there is a button here, says Install Steam. Click. Click again. Okay, it's downloaded. Installation started. Choose your language here. Next, choose the installation path. It's not necessary, click Next. Okay, it's installing right now. Click on Finish. It will take several minutes. I will speed this part up for you. Installation completed. Let's create a free account by clicking here. Write your email address. If you don't have an email address, you can click on this video to learn how to create a Google Mail. Write your email address in the second box again. Choose your country. Click on checkbox. And after that, agree that you are older than 13 years. Click Continue. We will get an email. Let's check our mailbox. Okay, we have an email. Click to verify my email address. Okay, now let's go back to Steam. Now we have to choose a Steam account name. Okay, let's choose a password. Okay, account created successfully. Go log into your account. You should use your account name, not your mail address. Okay, go click on Sign In, and you will get an email. All right, we have a new email. Copy your code by clicking Ctrl and C buttons. Then, go back to this window and click Ctrl and V buttons on your keyboard to log in. Okay, that's it. We downloaded and installed the Steam. Now we can go search for games and download the ones we want. I have more tutorial videos about Steam. You should watch them too. Subscribe my channel for more tips. If you have any questions, you can write in the comments below. See you in the next video.